Hello again, Fantasticos. In our last video, we examined how to survey and use that survey to write a good prediction about what we're going to read in a section of nonfiction text. This time, we're going to move on from surveying to questioning. Questioning is when you ask questions that help you focus on what's in the text. We're going to do this before we read so we can really focus in on what we need to know as we read, but we may adjust our questions when we do it. So I'm going to write these questions right here in this question box. Well, the first thing I see is, how do natural forces affect Earth? That essential question is definitely something I want to make sure I'm able to answer at the end of the reading. So I'll write that down. How do natural forces affect Earth? Let's see. Another question I recall here was the one that said, what are 3 different ways volcanoes can form? So I can record that. That's a pretty easy one. What are 3 different ways volcanoes can form? But I should also take each of these subtitles and write a question from them. So alone on Kilauea. What did O'Meara find on Kilauea? What, let me scroll this down for you. Did O'Meara find on Kilauea? And once again, I'm checking to make sure that I'm spelling copied words correctly. So I'd want to spell O'Meara and Kilauea and volcanoes and all of those words correctly because they're in the text. All right, let's see. The next one is a Hawaiian hotspot. I don't know what a hotspot is, so I'm going to ask that. What is a hotspot? All right. How volcanoes form. I don't know how volcanoes form. That's kind of captured here in this question, though, so I don't particularly feel the need to rewrite it. I might want to write a question for each of these sections, but I think it'll be captured there. So what we've just done is, before reading, really focus our attention on the main ideas in a text by generating questions based on questions that are already in the text and based on subtitles. Then I've recorded those in the question section of my Fab 4 diagram here.